Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix widgets not working on iPhone in iOS 17. But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is update the app whose widget is not working. Some widgets may not be optimized to work with iOS 17. For example, if a third-party widget doesn't refresh or work after iOS 17 update, then go to the App Store and update the app. Doing so should make the widget work properly. And the next step is disable low power mode. In low power mode, several activities like background app refresh, mail fetch and such are limited to conserve battery. If the relevant widgets are not updating with the new information, then go to iPhone settings, scroll down and then tap on battery and then tap on low power mode toggle button to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is turn off low data mode. With low data mode available for both Wi-Fi and cellular, your iPhone uses less data on that particular network. If you are on a limited plan, this may help but would create some annoyances like widgets failing to work properly. To address this, go to iPhone settings and then go to Wi-Fi or cellular what you are using. I am using Wi-Fi, so I am going to Wi-Fi and then tap on the iInfo icon next to your Wi-Fi network and then tap on the low data mode toggle button to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. If widgets are still not working on your iPhone, please ensure that your device is running the latest version of iOS. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then download and install the latest version and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is temporarily change the language of your iPhone. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on language and region and then tap on edit button. From here you can remove any language you want and then tap on done and also from here tap on add language and you can add any language you want and you are done. Now see if the widgets work properly or not. If not, then go back to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on language and region. Now change it to another language and select a different region as you want and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of widgets not working properly on iPhone and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.